Hello, this is Sean from Charisma Vehicles with a short video of this Audi Quattro 2-litre TDI Q3 163 brake horsepower SE variant with the Tronic or S Tronic gearbox. Really nice car in bright silver, as you can see. A couple little marks on it, as you'd expect for a car of its age and mileage. But I hope also you can see from the video it's in very tidy condition indeed. It's got a full service history. I've just had a service done on it as well and a check to make sure everything's okay, and it's supplied with 6 months warranty for you as well for complete peace of mind. There's the outside. I'll just show you inside in a moment. Okay, so here we are in the interior. As you can see, it's done 103,657 miles. It has got all of the nice systems on it, including the navigation. There we go. And it has got the detail of the service interval indicators, etc. So just done for you, and it's got the next one in 9,400 miles, 365 days. Absolutely immaculate interior. It's got the checkered grey and black cloth, climate control, air conditioning, as I mentioned earlier, the Tronic gearbox. Really nice car. If you'd like to have a look at it or have any questions, please do give me a call. That's Sean from Charisma Vehicle Solutions. Many thanks. Bye for now.